InterServer versus Hostinger, which one is the best for you? If you're looking for a web hosting provider, you may be considering InterServer and Hostinger. Both offer strong hosting solutions, but they cater to different needs. Let's compare them so you can make the best choice. InterServer, flexible and scalable hosting. InterServer is known for its unlimited resources and flexibility. Unlike many hosting providers, InterServer does not impose strict limits on bandwidth, storage, or email accounts. This makes it a great option for users who need scalability without worrying about restrictions. Key features of InterServer: unlimited SSD storage and bandwidth on most plans, free SSL certificates for website security, daily backups to protect your data, DDoS protection and security tools included, price lock guarantee, meaning the price you sign up with stays the same. InterServer's standard web hosting plan costs $2.50 per month and provides access to unlimited storage, bandwidth, and websites. This makes it a great choice for users looking for long-term affordability without price increases. One of InterServer's biggest advantages is its price lock policy, ensuring that your renewal rate stays the same instead of increasing over time, which is common with other hosting providers. InterServer's customer support is available 24/7 via live chat, phone, and email, ensuring you get assistance when needed. Hostinger, affordable and beginner-friendly. Hostinger is one of the most budget-friendly hosting providers and is well known for its ease of use. It offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee and a fast, user-friendly control panel. Key features of Hostinger: free SSL certificates included on all plans, daily backups available on most plans, easy-to-use control panel designed for beginners, good speed and performance at a low cost. One of Hostinger's biggest advantages is its low starting price. Their premium plan, which includes unlimited bandwidth and a free domain, starts at $2.99 per month, while the business plan, offering additional speed and security, is $3.99 per month. While Hostinger is cost-effective, renewal prices are higher than the initial offer, unlike InterServer's price lock policy. However, Hostinger's performance and ease of use make it a great option for beginners and small websites. Which one should you choose? If you need unlimited resources, long-term pricing stability, and scalability, InterServer is a great choice. If you want the most affordable starting price, easy setup, and good performance, Hostinger is a better option. Check the links in the description to find exclusive offers and discounts for both hosting providers. Also, subscribe to my channel for more comparisons and helpful content.